Without an income stream, your business is at risk of failure. Many small businesses have a single income stream, such as an electrician or plumber. Having multiple streams of income is a good way of safeguarding your business against a downturn in one particular stream. It can give your business stability and the opportunity to grow. If you are a tradesperson, such as an electrician, it may be challenging to figure out how you can generate multiple streams of income. Watch this video, and we will give you some ideas on different income streams. In simple terms, inactive income is the money earned that requires little work or no active involvement to generate ongoing capital. A common example is interest from an investment. In contrast, active income is the money that is received in exchange for performing a service. For example, the income you receive from your profession or the money that is accumulated through selling a product. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 different types of income streams. Before the video begins, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. Earned income. Earned income is your primary income stream through your job. The majority of us start here, and many go no further. For most, earned income is very limiting and has attracted the acronym just over broke. In other words, you earn just enough to survive. Of course, some jobs pay exceptionally well, but these are exceptions, not the norm. To go beyond a job and start your own business requires taking risks and moving into profit income, otherwise known as your salary or typical monthly income from your primary job. Earned income could be based on an hourly rate alongside bonuses, commissions, and more. This remains the same whether you are employed or self-employed. This earned income is typically subject to taxes, although likely at different thresholds depending on the amount. Profit income. By selling a service or product for more than they cost, you use the basis of profit income. You could open a retail store and sell products, offer professional services and charge for your time, or combine the two. It is one of the hardest steps to move from earned income to profit income, but it is the dream of many employees. Becoming self-employed or an entrepreneur can be a difficult road, and there are risks. Interest income. If you or your business has spare cash sitting in the bank account, it's losing money. There are many ways you can put your money to work and earn a passive income stream. Maybe invest it in a savings scheme and use the power of compound interest to gain a passive income. Buying government bonds is another safe investment that will generate interest. Dividend income. When you buy shares in a company, you become part owner of that company and entitled to dividend payments. Well-timed investments in companies can generate excellent passive income streams. Rental income. Property investment is an excellent way of protecting your money and generating an income from rent. There are 2 downsides to this income stream. First, it requires a substantial investment initially, unless it is part of an investment scheme. Second, releasing the cash can be time-consuming and costly, so if you may need the money quickly, this is not for you. Capital gains income. Buying and selling assets can provide you with an income known as capital gains. For example, if you buy stocks and shares worth $100 and then sell them on for $120, the capital gain is $20. It is essential to consult an accountant first about capital gains, as each country has different rules. Depending on the asset sold, the capital gains tax may wipe out all of your profit. Royalty income. This is a passive income stream generated by designing, building, or making something unique and charging people and businesses to use it. Musicians are a prime example. In most cases, musicians are signed to a particular label, such as Virgin Records. The record company pays to record the musicians, produce the records, market them, and sell them. The musicians receive a royalty payment for every album sold and every time it is played to the public. Famous musicians such as Elton John make millions from the royalties for playing his music. Benefits of having 7 income streams. Multiple streams of income reduce reliance on one source. This means that even if one route dries up, your income is spread through so many sources that it should not have a significant impact on your finances. For example, if your tenant can't afford to pay rent for 1 month. Helps you stop living paycheck to paycheck. Building multiple income sources means you can have money coming in all the time. Instead of relying on your income from one month to the next, you can accelerate your budget and savings plans in order to reach financial independence. Passive income can reduce your working hours. When you are no longer dependent on putting in more hours for more pay, you can spend time genuinely and on what you want. This ultimately means more time for family, friends, and your favorite hobbies, while your earning potential is unharmed. You have the chance to turn your side hustle into a concrete business. Have you ever noticed that most entrepreneurs have experience with more than one business? It's because they have the financial stability that provides time to explore other options. It leads many of them to follow their passions in order to solve real-world problems. Tips to start building millionaire income streams. Maximize your salary and career. Ask for a raise when you can, and ensure you take every promotion opportunity seriously. If you've hit the glass ceiling at your current workplace, try looking for lateral positions in order to gradually move upwards elsewhere. Keep your expenses low. Many of us are trying to find the balance between low expenses and a luxury lifestyle. But try to stop your impulse spending and only buy the wants within your financial plans. By keeping your expenses low, you'll have more leftover cash to invest with and let that money compound over the coming years. Invest in stocks. With an average return of between 6 to 8%, the returns you'll get on the stock market are likely to be far higher than any interest savings account. While any investment is a risk, you can choose your investment style that suits your needs. Invest in real estate. If you can afford the high upfront cost of putting a down payment on multiple houses, this is a great way to diversify. With over 43 million units occupied by renters in the US, there is a high demand for property. Plus, this is the residual income that enters your bank account every single month for as long as the property is occupied. Whether you'll have other costs, such as maintenance, this should be relatively low in comparison. Additionally, you can invest in real estate through crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise, Diversity Fund, or Ground Floor. You can earn dividends and interest payouts on your investments without managing a single property. Build passive income. Creating digital products, ebooks, or guides can be time-intensive at the beginning. But once made, these can be good to go without touch-ups or improvements for years to come. These income-producing assets mean you can be earning money while you sleep and can bring in thousands of extra revenue for as long as they are available. Thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and enable post alerts to view more of our future videos. After saying that, keep watching our videos, and I'll speak with you in the next one.